So in the last video of this Gulp in-depth series, I want to introduce you to something called Gulp Watch. So basically, we want to watch our folder and automatically run these tasks when any of the files change. So the scripts task and the CSS task. So first, let's install the Gulp plugin. So npm install --save dev and Gulp Watch. Just note that you don't need the save dev, but it's good practice to have it there. So that has installed. So let's require it. So we're gonna come here var watch equals to require Gulp Watch. Okay, so what we need to do this time is create a task. So we're gonna do gulp.task and we're gonna call it watch, and inside there we're gonna have to watch for two sets of files. One is a SCSS file and one is a ES6. Okay, so let's do watch, and what we want to watch for is star.scss. So scripts /star and then .scss, and then anytime those change we want to run this function. Okay, so let's do function, and there's something called gulp.start. We can give it a function to run. So let's say run the scripts function anytime any of these files change. Okay, so let me show you that works. So we're gonna just do gulp watch, and then basically what's gonna happen is that it's gonna start watching, and then you will see that just have a look at the console here when I change any of these files. So main2, so we say add 1 and 5. So when I save this, see what's gonna happen. It should go ahead and run those. Sorry, I made a mistake. It should not be .scss, it should be .es6. Pardon me. All right, so I'm gonna stop that and then run it again, gulp watch. So now let's see what happens when I change main2. So let's add let's say 6 + 5. So I save it. As you can see, it says starting scripts, finish scripts. Now let me stop this and let's run those the output, that is main.js. So let's do script /main.js, and as you can see, the output of the first one is 1 + 2, which is 3, and the second one is 6 + 5. So let's run the watch again just to show it one more time, and now I'm going to change the first one. Instead of 1 + 2, it's going to be 1 + 9. So I save it. As you can see, the script has run automatically. Now I stop it. When I do a node and just to run those output files, you can see it's 10 and 11. So let's set it up for the SAS file. Okay, so I come down here and I do watch. This time we're going to check the CSS folder, then any files that end with .scss, we want to run the CSS task, that is. So gulp.start, and then we just give it the name of the task to run, which is CSS. So now let's come over here and then we're gonna do gulp watch, and I'm gonna come to this main.css tree here. So display, I'm gonna add one more CSS property there. So let's say margin left, let's say 20 pixels. Now the moment I save this, just have a look at the top here, file, and then save. Automatically it's going to say CSS task here, and it's going to run that task automatically. Okay, so that will compile everything and combine into single CSS here. As you can see, display inline, margin left 20 pixels. So let's change it one more time, that is this main tree here. So I'm going to do margin left to be 15, and now when I save it, it should rerun that task again. So as you can see, actually it did not run it. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I saved it and then it ran its CSS task here. So let's have a look at the output one more time. So as you can see, the change has been reflected, margin left 15 pixels. Okay, so guys, that's how you set up watch tasks on your files in Gulp, and I hope this was useful to anyone. And if you have any questions, please ask in the comments below or on my website. at laminsane.com. And I thank you for watching, and please subscribe if these videos are useful, and because I'll be making a lot more of them. And thanks for your support, and I will see you soon in another series. Cheers, bye bye.